Hi, this is Bird from Bird's SVGs, and in this video I'm going to be putting together the unicorn gift tag, and that's from the Fantasy Foals SVG collection. So we've got four main elements of the tag, but the unicorn head itself has just got a couple of extra pieces. So you can do it in two different colours. I've chosen to do mine in two different colours of gold because, well, you've got to have glitter, haven't you, if you're going to have unicorns. So I've chosen to go for some glitter card here, but you could do it in any colour you wanted to do. I think it would be really nice in two-tone pink, actually. So I'm just layering up my two layering pieces on top of my unicorn head. And then I will put my tag together, and then I'll put my head on at the end with some 3D foam tape to give it some dimension. So you've got two elements for the front of the tag. That's the tag and this frame. But the frame doesn't go both ways round. It only goes one way round. So I'm just offering that up to begin with, just to make sure I get it the right way round once I've got glue on it, because I don't want to make a mess. And then I'm just going to add some glue. So I'm kind of adding some dots onto the little circle ends of the swirls. And then I'll add some glue around the outside edge and around that inner circle. You don't have to cover the whole thing at all, just because it's only a very small lightweight piece of card. So just dot a little bit of glue around, and that will hold it. If you do find that any pieces try and kind of curl up or lift off after that, you can always do the spatula trick, you know, slide a spatula or something really thin underneath with a bit of glue on. Okay, so I'm just centering that up, and it's easy to do that because the hole at the top of the tag matches up exactly with the hole in the frame. And this backing piece, it does the same as well, so you know you've got it the right way round. Now I've done a white layer for the back. If you're doing your tag in white, you won't need to add this, but it means that you can cut your tag out of a nice bright coloured piece of cardstock, because then you've got this white piece to write the message to your recipient on the back. And then I'm just going to pop that in place, and I'm going to line up the hole, and then that should give me an even border around the edge. It's a very small border, but if you've got it central, then that will all line up. So now I'm going to add some 3D foam tape behind my unicorn head. Now, of course, you don't have to do this. You can just glue it straight down to your tag if you'd like. You don't need to add any 3D adhesive. And of course, if you've got any other kind of 3D adhesive, like glue dots, you know, the 3D ones, or if you've got silicone gel or anything like that, that would work great here. So I'm just going to line up my unicorn head and put it in a position that's pleasing to my eye. There's no set exact place to have it on there, so I'm just trying to straighten it up without putting my head over the camera. It'll be easier for you at home. And then once I'm happy with the position, then I picked out some nice pink ribbon to match my cardstock, and it's ready to add to my gift for somebody who loves unicorns.